Bom dia. I'm Frank DeBello, President and CEO of Space Florida, the state space agency. I'm here in Sao Paulo, and we are very proud to be here in Brazil because this is well known in the U.S. as a real center of aerospace excellence. And we see opportunity here for collaboration and partnership with many of the companies that represent Brazil aerospace strength. We're bringing companies into our supply chain in Florida all the time from all over the world. Yours is the kind of community we seek to do business with, and Space Florida can help you achieve that in the U.S. market. We need you in Florida to maintain the kind of leadership that we have both shared in this industry. There's business we want to do with you, there's money to be made, and we need you in our supply chain in Florida. I'm very pleased to be working with Mr. Glauco Corte, President of Fiesc, as well as with the government of the state of Santa Catarina on this trade mission. The high-tech cluster your businesses represent is similar to aerospace manufacturing, software, and research clusters we also see growing dramatically in Florida. Companies like yours are the future of global economic growth. The Brazilian aerospace industry is the largest in the Southern Hemisphere. Your high-tech capabilities, quality products, and excellence in design and manufacturing of world-class aerospace products and services is well known to those of us in Florida. Brazil's MRO services to civil and military aircraft, as well as your pursuit of the small satellite industry, propulsion technology, sounding rockets, and launchers are also extremely complementary to programs already existing in Florida. From a space industry perspective, what you are building as a spaceport is well positioned for launching satellites into geosynchronous orbit. We also have a long-standing partnership with the Brazilian Space Agency and with INPE in support of the International Space Station, together having designed and developed critical hardware on board. Today, Florida has positioned itself as ground node for support of the International Space Station now that it is a functioning laboratory. Florida is home to the nonprofit agency CASIS that now manages commercial utilization of the ISS, and we continue to reach out to other states and countries that have interest in conducting groundbreaking research on board the ISS, undoubtedly the world's most unique laboratory. In 2008, Brazilian-based company Embraer established an executive jet assembly facility in Melbourne, Florida. This facility was part of the company's broader strategy of bringing operations closer to its customer base in the U.S. In November of 2012, the state of Florida worked with Embraer also to establish its newest engineering and technology center at the same location, a 63,000 square foot facility expected to employ more than 200 additional design and engineering talent by 2016. To date, Embraer and the state of Florida have invested more than $50 million in the company's expansion in its Melbourne area. Many thanks to the Brazilian Florida Chamber of Commerce for hosting Space Florida during this important trade mission. On behalf of the state of Florida, we look forward to continuing to work with you to foster new aerospace business opportunities that will benefit both of our communities. Please feel free to visit our website at spaceflorida.gov or email us at info@spaceflorida.gov, and we'll see you in Florida.